Hello, welcome to the new week. I just want to talk to you a couple minutes about what's going on this week. This week's topic is Congress, which I announced in our Zoom session last week. So you want to read the assigned pages. I sent you an email about that at the end of last week. So review that email that has the page numbers that you should read for Tuesday. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we are going to be discussing the structure of Congress and the differences between the House and the Senate, and getting into a little bit about those topics in our Zoom session tomorrow, which is Tuesday, April the 7th. So please read those pages. In the session last week, I mentioned that I'm going to, before I get into that, this week you do have a discussion board question. It's about the use of the filibuster in the Senate. So you need to see that discussion board in this week's packet. So look for the packet that's labeled April 6th through April 12th, 2020, and you will see a discussion board question in there. So you click on that, the discussion board assignment, click on the post that I submitted and read what I wrote, and then reply to that. And then after a few minutes, you should be able to also see other students' posts, and you're going to want to reply to at least one other student's post on that question. So to get full credit on the discussion board question, you have to post two responses. One is your response to my question, and then the other is your response to another student. And both of your posts are going to be due at 5 p.m. on Sunday, April 12th. Okay? So if you have any questions about that, send me an email or let me know. In the session last week, I announced that there would be extra credit this semester. And the extra credit basically is going to be this. I'm going to be posting a discussion board question every week for the rest of the semester. Now, some of them were already scheduled in the revised syllabus, but others will be new questions. And so it's going to be up to you completely, but if you answer any three of the questions this semester, and that includes the one that you had a couple weeks ago, you will get regular credit, and that will be the normal number of points for the assignment, a total of 30 points. If you want to earn additional points, you can answer all 5 of the discussion board questions for the semester. So that would include the one from 2 weeks ago, the one this week, and then there will be 3 more that I will assign throughout the rest of the semester. So you could answer all 5 of them. That would give you up to 20 additional points. If you answer 4 of all of the discussion board questions, starting with the one a couple weeks ago, you would get 10 extra points. If you just answer 3 of them, you will just get the normal number of points. You won't lose anything on it. Obviously, if you answer fewer than 3 of the discussion board questions, you're going to lose points because there are 3 that are due for sure. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, send me an email. But again, there will end up being a total of 5 discussion board questions, including the one from the week after we returned. And if you answer all 5 of them, starting with that one and this week and the remaining 3, you would get up to 20 additional points. And that's assuming that you're following the directions, that you're posting 2 responses, and that your responses are at least 5 sentences each. Those additional 10 or 20 points would be on top of other points that you've earned. Okay, so but again, if you only do 3 of the questions, you're not going to lose anything. You'll just get the normal number of points. Okay. Hope that makes sense. I wanted to give you an opportunity to earn some extra points this semester. I know things have changed so significantly since we came back from spring break. So again, the Zoom session will be at 9:40 a.m. on Tuesday, April 7th, tomorrow. Hope you'll join that. Again, we'll go over Congress, and I can answer additional questions that you might have on anything in the class. All right? And also this Thursday, the 3rd reading quiz will open at 9 a.m., and it is due on Sunday at 5 p.m. And I will send you an email with additional information about that. All right, have a great week, and I will see you online on Zoom on Tuesday.